my channel. It's me, Froggy Plays, and today today I'm helping you guys how to make a two-player pong game, ping pong game or pong game, two-player. So your game will look like this. So one of you will be this one, and one of you will be this one. So like this, it will be like this, boing. And the other one, boing, and then the next one. Oh, that was a close shot. Okay, so that's what your game will look like after you finish making the code. By the way, this is Scratch. If you guys don't know Scratch, it's a coding. Yeah, so first you need a ball. Just get a ball sprite. And after you get a ball sprite, you get a paddle sprite. A paddle sprite is in here, if I'm not, yep, paddle there, or over here. And there's also a ball. Yeah, so first we are going to go to easy mode. The easy mode is paddle goes first. So when green flag is clicked, forever. Forever is for until you hit the stop button. If left arrow is pressed, change X by -10, because it's left arrow, that means going to the left. If is the block where if touching things, if like so if I press this if I put it in forever, when I do this and when I move it, it will move. And because I move out this from forever, I cannot move this. See, when I press the right button, it doesn't move anymore. So after I put this, I can move it to the right. Okay, then paddle 2, just duplicate it. Duplicate paddle, duplicate, right click, then press duplicate. And then you just change the arrow by A, because A is the usually for gaming, WASD, so A and D for left and right, and then arrow left and right. So yeah, that's the one. You need to make the code for both of them. Okay, let me give you guys to check. First is this one. Let me give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now paddle 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we go to the ball. The ball is this one. So I need to make this first. Just wait. We'll just make a long line from here to there. Okay. So and then I'll move it right to the bottom. Okay, so this is for like when touching sprite 1, like that. Okay, so let's check it out. Yep. So if you get a game over, I make my screen like very ugly because you lose. That means you lose. Yeah. So you can make any backdrop you want. This is my backdrop. I need to delete this one. This is my backdrop. This is what I call the game over backdrop. You can make it whatever you want. Nice, make it bad, whatever you want. Okay. So when green flag, okay, first the backdrop again. Why backdrop again? The stage. So this is the easy one. When green flag is clicked, switch backdrop to blue sky 2. That's very easy. Because blue sky 2 is this one and it looks pretty nice to me. So yeah. And then now we go to ball. So in the ball, you make when green flag click forever if touching sprite 1. It's the line. So guys want to make a line or anything. A line, a color in the background to make the ball touch it, and then game over. I make it a sprite 1 before, then switch to backdrop 2. After that, stop all. Backdrop 2 is the game over. And it's 3:45 in my town. So yeah, when green flag is clicked, so this is the next code you want to make. When green flag is clicked, point in direction 45. Direction 45 is there. Okay, so direction 45, remember it's over here. So this is 60 and this is 45. So first you'll start with 0 and then 15 and then 30 and then 45. Then go to x0, y0. And you need to make a variable called score. Set score to 0 and then drag it forever. I already explained forever what does it do. And move 10 steps if on edge bounce. So when it touches the edge, it will bounce back. And then again, if touching paddle 2 or paddle 1, switch to next costume to make it nicer. I do that. Or if you don't want, just make it one costume like all blue every time it hit the paddle. Turn 180 degrees, start sound boing. So it'll look like this. So when it hit, oh, that's a glitch. I just made a glitch. So when it touched right, oh, okay, so it kind of works. See, that's a glitch I made before when I'm making it. I want you guys to figure out where is the problem for the glitch by yourself. Okay, so yeah, after that you just duplicate this to here, and then yeah, that's how you make a Pong game, 2-player Pong game in Scratch. So thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and slap that bell icon to never miss another video. And don't forget to hit that like button. I want to see 100 likes and until I make a tutorial video again. So thank you guys for watching. Peace!